Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we have written all the journal entries, all these business transactions. We have written all journal entries in the journal pro forma. Now from journal pro forma, whatever journals are there, we have recorded that we will gonna post it into ledger, right? I have drawn all the required ledgers here. I will want to explain. There are 13 ledgers are required, right? So since it will take time to record all the drawing, how to draw the ledgers also. So I have readily made it and it is available all the ledger, that is 13 journal, ledger accounts are required as per the journal entry we have written here, right? I will explain you how to post all this journal balance into respective ledgers. So let's go one by one. So we know that we have recorded all the journal entries in the journal pro forma, and then, if you can see the first transactions, there is a cash, right? We have cash ledger. This is one ledger, right? We have different types of ledgers. What are those cash ledgers? Generally, cash ledger: purchase, sales, purchase returns, sales returns, any person's ledger, capital ledgers. These are the different types of sub ledgers, right? Example, so in the given problem we have a cash ledger, right? So draw a cash ledger here. For example, here I have written cash ledger. What is the date, particulars, amount in rupees, date, particulars, amount in rupees, that is a debit amount, credit amount, cash account. So this is a T format ledger, right? So now next one, capital. You need to carefully check it one by one. Capital, we should have one ledger. Somewhere I have written capital ledger. This is one, Mr. Bala capital account. Mr. Bala capital account. Sorry, I have written here in the journal entry as Mr. M, so please consider it as Mr. Bala, not Mr. M. So Mr. capital account also there. Now Mr. Mattu account, second transaction we have Mattu also, right? Mattu account also we need to draw. So Mattu account, same, debtors, creditors, date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount, right? And then sales account, same way, sales account as well. Debtors, creditors, left hand side debtor, right hand side creditors, sales, sorry, I'm sorry, this one, sales account, date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. And then look at the next impact. It's done. Cash, third journal, there is cash is already prepared. Sales, here we already prepared the sales ledger, and cash we already prepared. Commission, if you can see, commission we have prepared. Debtors, creditors, date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount, and hence like that all the ledger we need to draw. How many ledgers are required in the given problem? Based on that we need to draw the ledgers very first, right? That is important. Let's go to the one by one. Cash we have written, commission reserve, sales returns, that is a one type of ledger we required. It is written here. Mattu we already said. Purchase also we required. Purchase ledger. Where is the purchase ledger here? Here. Purchase ledger, same, debtors, credit balance, date, particular amount, date, particular amount. Mr. M account also we required. Mr. M account. Mr. M account is over. Purchase we already drawn. Stationery ledger we also require stationery. And then cash we already prepared. Mr. M is already prepared. Sales returns account, purchase returns account we required. Purchase returns account we have drawn. Mr. M account we already drawn. Mr. Purchase account drawn. Cash account is drawn. Salary account we already drawn here. Cash is drawn. Wages account also drawn here the wages ledgers. Electricity ledger, yes, we have drawn here. Let's record the journal. Post the journal into ledger. How to post the journal into ledger? Let us talk about one by one. Very simple way. When you are prepared, for example, I will take cash account, right? In the all the recorded journal entry, see wherever observe wherever the cash has impacted. In the first transaction, it is a debit, so record it. In debit side cash transaction, opposite one you have to record it to capital. To capital. Which date? March 1st. March 1st to capital. How much? How much capital? 10,000. Right? Next one. Where is cash again? Here. Debit, sales. So since cash is a debit, the other side is sales, right? Cash is coming in what is the impacted one? Sales. Being company has sold as goods, and hence cash is coming. So in the cash account, what is the date here? 6th March. March 6 to sales. How much? 5,000. Next one, cash is here. Commission is receiving. So when commission is receiving by an entity, so cash is coming. So record it. 50 rupees. March 8. March 8 to commission. 50 rupees. Next one. There is no cash here. Here also cash is not there. Here purchased. Right, cash, good, since goods are purchased cash, so cash is credit. So cash ledger credit side by purchase. Which date? 19th 2004 2014 March 19 by purchase. What is the nature of cash? Asset. When credit size recording means what? It is decreasing. So when we are purchasing, cash is going out of the business and hence it is credit side. Next, observe it. This we have done here. Stationery, again going out of the business. March 20, 75 rupees. March 20 date by stationery, 75 rupees. As debit and credit rule, asset, if it is asset credit side means decreasing, asset debit means increasing. You understand, right? We have observed until here. Next transactions, there is no cash involved here in this. Cash paid to Mr. M, right? So again cash is going. March 21st by Mr. M. How it cash reduced? Because company has paid to Mr. M 1,700 rupees. Next one, purchased goods, right? Here, since cash is going out of business, March 22nd by purchase. By purchase, how much? 600. How much? 600. Salary is paid, right? March 31st by salaries. So my cash is credit under cash ledger credit side. With the opposite impact we need to show. In cash ledger we can't show cash ledger, right? To understand why it is reducing, because salary is paid. If you record as a cash in cash ledger, you can't understand to which it has the cash was spent, right? And hence the opposite impact we need to record in the ledger by salaries. How much? 300. You understand, right? How to record it. And wages, 31st wages again cash is in credit, cash ledger credit side by other way, what is the opposite one? Wages. Being wages paid, my cash is reduced by 200. Electricity again, 31st March. Electricity is cash is going. Is cash is the credit side, and cash ledger credit side by why it is reducing because of electricity is paid. Electricity paid. You understand why we need to write debit and credit other transactions, right? Other way, other effect in the journal entry, because the cash ledger you can't record it as cash ledger to understand, right? Cash, why it is, for example, all these are showing a credit means decreasing. Why it is decreasing? To what business purpose it has paid, to understand that it is regarding the other opposite sign. Because for example, given example, electricity cash paid 100 rupees. So if you regard the electricity means being electricity expenses paid, my cash is decreased that extent. Likewise, all the ledgers are same. In the same ledger, we particular ledger we can't write the same ledger. To understand, no, we need to write the opposite sign, opposite effect of the journal entry. Now we have recorded all the cash one, right? Now let's total it now. Which side is more? Always cash. Most of the time debit side will be more. That is 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 50,000 for 50,000 50. Now total cash, this is now let's deduct the what is paid, minus 2,400 minus 75 rupees minus 1,700 600 300 200 100. Now my total cash is gone from the cash account is 9,675. Oh sorry, I just directly from the 15,050 rupees I just deducted all the respective one. This is a leftover. This is the cash balance is remaining. So bring the total this to credit side. From 15,050 rupees, if you deduct all the cash which is gone from the business, you will get this 9,675 by balance CD 9,675. Again you need to bring to the next accounting period, that is April 1st to balance BD 697. This will go to ledger, this will go to trial balance. I will show in the next video. Now cash ledger is prepared. Like this we need to prepare all the ledger. Let's prepare another ledger, then we will continue with the other ledger. We will talk about Mr. Bala's capital account. So Mr. Bala capital, only capital is only one transaction. Let's regard what is the other way, opposite. In fact, that is a March 1st cash. March 1st by cash. By cash it is coming. Cash account 10,000. Right? Bring the total. Your left hand side as well. Capital account always credit. Capital is what is natural liability. Liability always credit balance. Then here to balance CD same month, March 31st, at the end of the month, right? March 31st, and then you need to bring back to the, because my ledger, my capital account should always credit balance. You need to bring to the next month, that is April 1st by balance BD. There is no changes in the next month also, same. Next go to purchase account. Wherever purchases are there, that we need to record. First one nothing is there, second one nothing is there, this no purchase, sales, purchases here. March 16 there was one purchase from Mr. M. So purchase account Mr. M we need to show. What is that? March 16, 2000. Purchase account. What is nature of expenses? Debit balance always March 16th. March 16. Now record it to Mr. M account. To Mr. M account. What is the total amount? 2000, right? And next purchases. Where is the next purchase? This we have done. Next purchased cash. Purchase account added to cash account. Being goods purchased, right? Then we need to record as a cash purchase account. March 19, 2400 rupees to cash account. To cash account 2400. Then next see excuse me, no purchases, no purchase returns is there. Purchase return we look to other time. Purchase account here. Purchase account to cash account. March 22nd there was purchases to cash account, because in purchase account we can't record as purchase, and hence cash is recorded in the debit side. Being purchase is debit. Okay, cash account how much? 600. Now we don't seems we don't have any other purchases. Let's total it out. 2000 plus 2400, 4400 plus 600 is 5000 rupees. Bring the total to right hand side 50,000. And then it is a March 31st closing balance. March 31st closing balance by balance CD 5000, and you need to bring back to the April 1st, right? Closing balance will be opening balance for the next month. To balance BD 5000. Okay, next one, sales we'll see. The given transaction sales we see. Wherever sales are there, that we need to record. This one no sales. This there is no sales returns here. Oh, here sales is there. March 2nd to Mattu. March 2nd sold goods to Mr. Mattu on credit basis, right? So March 2nd and sales ledger we need to record 4300 March 2nd. So March 2nd. March 2nd sales always credit balance, right? Is the revenue as per nominal account rule. Credit all incomes and gains. Sales is the income, so Mr. Mattu account 4300. And then what are the other sales are there? Just have a look on it, right? Let's look at it. 1 second. Okay, we have one sales. There is no cash account data to sales account. Yeah, we have another sales here, cash sales, right? Okay, 5000, right? That we need to record it. Yes, that we need to record. March 6 by cash. March by cash account 5000. And after that just have a look and verify any sales are there. Sales returns, no sales. That means sales ledger you can close it now. 5000 plus 4300 is equal to 9300. Let's record it. Bring the total to left hand side 9300. Here March 31st, because closing balance to balance CD 9300. Bring the total to April 1st next month, because current month closing balance will be opening for the next month. Opening balance CD BD balance BD 9300 300. That means sales ledger also we have completed. Next, purchase returns. Now check quickly, purchase returns are where are there in the journal entries. Purchase returns. Purchase returns. Where are they? Purchase returns. Purchase returns. What is that? Purchase account. Purchase returns. Mr. M. Purchase return we have March 21st, right? March 21st. March 21st by Mr. M account. How much? 300. What is that? 300 is the credit balance always, because it's going from the out of the business. 300 will make a total. We don't have any other purchases. March 31st to balance CD, and next month April, that is April 1st, by balance BD 300. That is also done. Now sales returns. Let's have a look here. We don't have first 4 transaction. March 14th there was a transaction, sales return to Mattu, 100 rupees. March 14th sales return, which balance? A debit balance. March 14th to Mr. Mattu. How much? March is 100, just 100. And do we have anything? No, just total it and close it. Let me check it. Any other sales returns are there? No, we don't have anything. Salaries, wages. No, we don't have anything. Just close it. March 31st by balance CD. Bring that balance to next month, that is April 1st to balance BD is 100. Next, Mattu account. Wherever Mattu is involved in the journal entry, all the one we have to record. March 2nd we have Mattu sales, by sales 4,300. March 2nd under Mattu account sales, March 2nd by Mattu account. No, sorry, I'm sorry. Mattu is on debit on March 2nd journal. So Mattu's ledger under debit side sales we need to record it. Sorry for this. March 2nd to Mattu account 4,300, and then check wherever Mattu is there. Mattu is not there here. Sales returns we have, right? Okay, 100 we have. March 14th, record it. Mattu is on debit credit side, and hence in Mattu's account credit side record as a sales returns by sales return. How much? 100. That we have done here. Any sales returns? Check that. Mr. M account. No, we don't have any sales returns for that. Now let's close the ledger. Mr. Mattu account. Which side is the more? Debit side. Make a total. Bring to the right hand side. 4,000 minus 100 is equal to 4,200. That is the closing balance 31st March by balance CD. Bring that balance to April 1st to balance BD 4,200. This will go to trial balance. It will go to where? Trial balance. Let's talk about Mr. M account now. right? Mr. M account, wherever is there, just record it. Mr. M account, Mr. M, where are you? Mr. M, Mr. M, where are you? March 16th, we have Mr. M purchased. Mr. M showing the credit balance, and Mr. M ledger record as a purchase for March 16th. By March 16th, by Mr. M account, Mr. M account 2000, Mr. M account 2000. Anything else for Mr. M? Mr. M, anything? Turn the page and check it. Mr. M is here. Purchase returns. So Mr. M is debit showing. So on debit side, which date? March 21st to purchase returns. Purchase returns. How much? 300. 300. Anything, Mr. M? Again, yes. Mr. M is showing debit because Mr. M is what transaction? It is 21st. By paid to Mr. M, cash paid to Mr. M. That's why when cash is paying to person, debit 21st March to cash, by cash. Okay, how much? 1700. 1700. Anything? Mr. M purchase returns sales wages selfish, nothing. Just total it. Which side is more? Both side is equal. Mr. M is M account is equal. Mr. M is equal to equal. Just close it. That's it. We no need to bring to next year, next period, because it is closed. The ledger is closed. Then let's look at the commission account. Wherever commission is there, that we just need to record it, right? I think only one commission, this one March 8th. Other than that, there is no other commission. Let's record it. Commission ledger, commission is credit always, so record credit as a cash. March 8. March 8 by cash, otherwise cash account. How much? 50 rupees we have received. Okay, commission we have received 50. Let's close it. 50. Bring that total to March 31st to balance CD. Again we need to bring to April 1st. That is a last month closing balance will be opening balance for the next month. By balance BD 50 rupees. Next, stationery. Stationery also we have only one transaction here. In stationery debit, that is expense always debit. So stationery ledger, record it. Which date? 20th March 20th to cash account. How much? 75 rupees. We don't have any other stationery related expenses transaction. Just close it. March 31st by balance CD 75. Bring that to the next month, April opening balance to balance BD 75, right? That is also closed. Then salary account, salary also only one, right? Cash account, salary is debit. Which date? 31st March to this cash account. How much it is? 300. Just close it. 300. Bring the total to the right side by 31st March, right? Balance CD 300. Bring the total to next month as a opening balance CD, sorry, BD 300. That means salary ledger are closed. and we have only wages also only one, right? So let's record the debit side. Wages is debit 31st March to cash, other in fact, right? Cash account. What is the total? Wages account 200. Amount column 200. Make it total because we don't have earlier wages related transaction. Close that in the March 31st March by balance CD. Bring that to next month, that is April 1st, to balance BD 200. Next, last one, electricity. So electricity, same is expenses, debit side 31st March to cash. Opposite one we need to record, right? How much it is? 100 rupees. So we don't have any other related transaction. Just close the ledger. 100, bring to the right hand side. 31st March. As of 31st March, we have 100 rupees of electricity expenses by closing balance 100, and bring that to April 1st to balance BD brought down 100. That means all ledger we have closed. This is how. So just summarizing, right? Whatever journal entry we have recorded in the journal program, that is chronological order, we have recorded all the journal based on the business transactions, and we have identified what are the list of ledgers required from the journal. We have posted ledger balance like this, Bala's capital account, cash account, purchase account, so on forth. Whatever ledgers is required, we have recorded. How to recording? For example, electricity in electricity ledger, since electricity is a expense and it is the debit side of the electricity ledger, will record as a to cash. Likewise, all the journal entries we have posted into ledger. This is how we will post it into ledger. Now I will make a small recording again. How to post the ledger? For example, whatever balance are there, for example, Mr. Bala capital account, we have credit balance of 10,000. That how to record it, I will make it in the next video.